In this video, you'll learn how to link your Calendly to Stan Store. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully connected your Calendly scheduling link to your Stan Store product, allowing your visitors to book appointments directly through your store. To begin, you need to access your Calendly account. Navigate to the scheduling section on the left sidebar. Once there, find the option labeled Event Types and click on it. This will display a list of all your scheduled events. Next, locate the specific event for which you want to share the scheduling link. Next to the event, you will see a copy link button. Click this button and your Calendly link will be copied to your clipboard. Ensure that you have the correct event selected, as this link will direct users to that specific booking. Once you have copied the link, it is time to move to Stan Store. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your Stan Store account. After successfully logging in, look for the products option on the main dashboard. Click on this to access your product management section. After entering the products area, click on the Create Product button. This will prompt you to select the type of product you wish to create. If you are offering a free booking, choose the option labeled Link Product. If you plan to charge for the booking through Stan, select the service booking type. But once you've made your selection, you will see a field, RAID URL. In this field, paste the Calendly link you copied earlier. It is important to ensure that the link is pasted correctly to avoid any disruptions in the booking process. Next, you will need to name your product. For example, you can name it Book a Strategy Call or any other descriptive title that suits your service. After naming your product, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to finalize the creation of your product. Once saved, visitors to your Stan Store will be able to click on the product and be redirected directly to your Calendly page for booking. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.